The prosecution in the Monica Kimani murder case intends to use 25 witness statements and 54 exhibits against Joseph Irungu, alias Jowie and Jacque Maribe. The two are the first and the second accused persons in the murder case. NTV's Seth Olale, who attended Tuesday's proceedings at the Milimani Law Courts, also reports that Jowie withdrew his application seeking to have Justice James Wakiaga recuse himself from the murder case owing to his woman-eater remark during the bail application ruling.
That's for the first and the second accused.
Lead prosecutor Catherine Mwaniki has availed to the defense team a list of 25 witness statements and 54 exhibits that will be used against Joseph Irungu, alias Jowie, and Jackie Maribe when the case goes to full trial.
Your Lordship, I don't know, but...
The prosecution is, however, yet to provide the defense team with all the correspondence before the pre-trial conference, saying some are protected government statements that might be used to jeopardize the case.
If they can give us time, and we're in constant communication with the government chemist.
Jackie Maribe, through her lawyer Katwa Kigen, sharply deferred with the prosecution over the seizure of the suspect's property, including her house, motor vehicle and cell phones, despite an earlier court directive granting her access.
I feel that that period of 62 days already is adequate to have completed whatever forensic and photographic and data collection they needed.
The prosecution agreed to release Maribe's Langata house that had been sealed off as a crime scene, but refused to avail her vehicle and cell phones, stating that they will be used as exhibits as the court awaits a forensic report from the government chemist.
My hands are tied. I want the government chemist to give me a go-ahead. I do not want to jeopardize this trial. Mr. Omiti will also not be happy if I jeopardize the trial in regard to his client's justice for his client and the family of the deceased. So I'm praying that with big given time, we will fast track that.
We are prepared to indulge the prosecution further. However, we will ask, my Lord, that you arbitrate between us by placing some timelines on that issue so that it's not bottomless.
Judge James Wakiaga ordered the prosecution to file all the required correspondence in 3 weeks' time, while at the same time directing the prosecution to enable Joseph Irungu, alias Jowie, who is suffering from a bullet wound, undergo surgery at the Kenyatta Referral Hospital immediately, or else release the suspect on bond to undergo specialized treatment at a facility of his choice. Jowie, through his lawyer David Ayuo and Samuel Ayeko, withdrew an application seeking to recuse Judge James Wakiaga from the murder case owing to his woman-eater remark during the bail application ruling. Jowie also withdrew his complaint against the judge at the Judicial Service Commission. Jackie Maribe's contempt application against the Director of Public Prosecution, Nurdin Haji, and Director of Criminal Investigations, George Kinoti, will be heard on the 27th of February 2019. As Judge James Wakiaga takes a 2-month break from this particular court case, the Deputy Registrar is expected to oversee all the correspondence from the parties involved before the pre-trial conference. Seth Olale, NTV, Milimani Law Courts.